Hi everyone. If you've ever loaded up a truck bed before a storm, you know the real test is not how a cover looks in the driveway, it's what happens when the rain starts and your gear is sitting back there. Today I'm talking about this truck bed tonneau cover, and I'm going to keep it practical. How it installs, how it fits, how it looks on the truck, how it handles weather, and the few things I think could be better. The first thing I noticed when getting this cover ready was that it feels pretty solid right out of the box. It has some weight to it, and it doesn't have that flimsy, cheap feeling that some soft vinyl covers can have. The cover itself looks clean once it's sitting on the bed, and the clamps feel strong enough to hold everything securely in place. Installation was one of the biggest surprises for me. I expected it to be more complicated, but most of the cover was already pre-assembled. Once I had it positioned on the truck bed, the rest was mostly lining it up, tightening things down, and making sure the seals were sitting correctly. I'd say one person can install it without much trouble, as long as you're able to lift it and move it into place. For me, it felt like about a 20 to 30 minute job. Now, the instructions could definitely be better. They are not completely useless, but they don't explain everything as clearly as they should. This is one of those installs where common sense helps a lot. Once you look at how the clamps sit and how the cover needs to line up, it becomes pretty straightforward. Getting it perfectly aligned took a few extra minutes, but after that, the finished result looked really good. Fitment was excellent. On a Ram, it sits tight and clean, and it gives the truck bed a much more finished appearance. I've also had good results with this style of cover on a Ford F-150, so the overall design seems pretty dependable when matched to the right truck. On the Ram, the edges sit down nicely, and the rubber gaskets compress well against the bed rails. Visually, it makes the truck look sharper, without being overdone. One thing I really like is that it does not feel like an all-or-nothing cover. Being able to open individual sections makes it more useful day to day. If I just need to grab something from part of the bed, I don't have to remove the whole thing, or deal with the entire cover at once. That makes it more practical for regular use, especially if you keep tools, bags, camping gear, or travel items in the back. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. The look is honestly one of its strong points. It gives the truck a clean, low-profile appearance, and even on an older truck, it helps the bed area look more modern and protected. It doesn't have that loose, sagging look you sometimes see with cheaper covers. Once it's tightened down, it feels secure and looks like it belongs on the truck. For weather protection, I'd call it very good, but not absolutely perfect. In normal rain, it does a solid job. I've seen it handle heavy storms without letting water pour into the bed, and the seals do a good job of keeping most moisture out. On a longer drive in heavy rain, a small amount of water can still get in, but that seems to be pretty normal with tonneau covers in general. I would not call any cover like this 100% waterproof. That said, the important part is that gear stays protected. On a long road trip with a lot of items in the truck bed, the bed stayed dry enough that the gear was not damaged or soaked. So while I would still use common sense with anything extremely sensitive, for luggage, bags, tools, and general cargo, I'd feel comfortable using it in bad weather. The seals are another thing worth mentioning. The edges have rubber gaskets that press down nicely when the cover is installed correctly. That tight seal is what gives it most of its weather resistance. If you take your time during installation and make sure everything is lined up, the cover sits much better and gives you the best chance of keeping water out. In terms of value, this is where the cover really makes sense to me. It feels like a good middle ground between cheaper vinyl-style covers and much more expensive hard covers. It gives you a clean appearance, decent durability, good weather protection, and the convenience of opening sections, without costing as much as some of the higher-end options. There are a few downsides though. Like I said, the instructions could be clearer. If you are someone who wants a very detailed step-by-step manual, you may find them a little frustrating. Also, the handle and locking mechanisms work, but they could feel a bit more refined. They are not a deal breaker for me, but they don't feel quite as sturdy as the rest of the cover. Opening and locking the cover is okay, but not the most convenient experience every single time. It gets the job done, but if you're constantly getting in and out of the bed throughout the day, you may notice that it takes a little extra effort compared with simpler setups. I'd also recommend checking the hardware and sealing materials before starting the install. Make sure all the clamps, hardware, and foam seal pieces are there before you place the cover on the truck. It's much easier to check everything first than to realize something is missing halfway through installation. Overall, I think this tonneau cover is a strong option if you want something that looks clean, fits well, installs without too much hassle, and protects your truck bed from most weather. The seal is tight when installed correctly, and it really improves the look and usefulness of the bed. It is not perfect. The directions could be better, the latch and handle setup could feel more premium, and I would not expect completely waterproof performance in every possible storm. But for the price, the quality and functionality are impressive. If you want a practical truck bed cover that sits nicely, keeps your gear protected, and gives your truck a cleaner finished look, this one is definitely worth considering. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below.